salamat ka, dagang salamat, Bretchel. Ingon ko, di na lang ko may storya ka na storya na ni Professor Bugingo ang tanan, but just a short lang message, no? But first and foremost, my respect to our very active and supportive mayor, though wala siya, atong palakpakan yapon, Mayor Frederick Siao, because isa gid siya nagsuporta sa tanan mga activities, no, sa mga kababainhan. Of course, our very active Vice Mayor, Honorable Wikwik Uy, my colleague in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Councilor Ayan Uy, Councilor Randy Ong, Councilor Ramil Emborong, of course, our Chief of Staff, Sir Vernie Padilla, our City Administrator, Sir Darwin Manubak, our City Director of DILG, Ma'am Maida Danyo, together with Ma'am Lalaine. Of course, our tanan department heads, and ang atuang naka-violet na sa likod, Gender and Development Office, headed by Ma'am Renife Padilla, atong palakpakan, kay grabe ang presentation kaganina, no? Sa tanan, my fellow public servants, men in uniform, and to all the beautiful and amazing women sa makausapa, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. I would like to commend the Gender and Development Office, again headed by Ma'am Tata, no, and to all the leaders, staff, no, for all your accomplishments, all your achievements. We even recognize Sir Al, no, sa previous years, no, nga daghan kaayong mga programa. No, thank you so much. Atong palakpakan once again ang Gender and Development Office, and also for initiating and organizing the whole month celebration of our International Women's Day, which na-mention na ni Ma'am Bugingo kaganina, ang atuang Zumba kagahapon. No, daghang kay salamat sa tanan department heads, ang atuang mga government employees na nag-join from the different barangays, barangay officials, and all. Again, as we celebrate our International Women's Month karong March 8, mo na siya ang International Women's Day. So, atong ignon ang atong mga bana na sila sa ang magluto, sila sa ang maglaba. Ingon si Sir Ramil, siya sa daw maglaba, kay magparade ta nata ang mga activities sa plaza. So, di lang ingon sa women, but of course, we would like to thank ang mga kalalakinhan atong palakpakan for all your support kay akong i-vice versa. Ingon sila, in every man's success, there's a woman behind. But in every woman's success, there's a man behind. Atong palakpakan ng atong very supportive men. Again, our International Women's Month is a time to recognize na istorya na kaganina, di na lang siguro na ako balikon, but let us continue to inspire, no? Let us continue to uplift one another, especially ang ato ang mga women's. We encourage na atay mga nagkalain-laing mga programa, dili lang the whole month of March ang atong mga program, but pagpadayon, because we believe na ang usa ka babae daghan kay mahimo, dili lang sa tag-sa kapamilya, but the whole community as well. So daghang salamat, dili na napuntason, padayon, asenso, iliganan.
Thank you very much, Honorable Councilor Michelle.